Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make prototype app only way. Begin by identifying the single feature that must work to prove value, then map the simplest user path. Use paper or a whiteboard to sketch screens, interactions, and error states. Prioritize only what a user needs to complete that task. Keep iterations short and test with real users after each small change for fast learning and clarity. Create simple, low-fidelity screens that emphasize actions users take instead of aesthetics. Group repeating elements into components so you can adjust behavior everywhere at once and move faster. Annotate interactions and expected outcomes so developers and testers share the same intent. Prototype the happy path first, then add recovery for common failures. Test each change quickly with 3 to 5 users and refine until the core flow feels effortless. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They hold up through long coding sessions and prototype testing, and they stay comfortable on marathon user interviews. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose one prototyping tool that lets you link screens and simulate interactions without coding, then build the flow end to end. Populate the prototype with real copy and sample data so testers give useful feedback. Keep animations subtle and purposeful to convey function. When ready, export annotated screens, assets, and interaction notes so engineers can implement the core feature accurately. Maintain a shared checklist to track iteration outcomes and outstanding risks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.